Hi there guys, Farrington here, go-to guy for all things crypto mining and passive income. In this video, I've got an exciting brand new crypto node project that's just been launched as of you guys see in this video. This is actually day one of the node sale itself. The team is doxed. The CEO Bjorn is doing a lot of work in the background to make sure this goes successfully. I've got a lot of information in regards to the project itself that I'm going to be going through throughout this video, so make sure you do watch this video all the way through. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So let's jump straight in and let's find out why I'm going to grab myself one of these nodes straight away. So jumping straight into the actual node sale, and then we'll go through and have a little look at the docs itself. But I do feel that they've thrown a lot of valuable information just straight on the overall page itself. So the validation node sale. 0xVM brings gaming, DeFi, AI, any smart contract enabled solution directly to Bitcoin layer 1. As a 0xVM validator node owner, you are rewarded for upholding the security and the integrity of 0xVM network. You can see currently at the moment as well that the nodes will be going live for 700 USDT. There's going to be 10,000 available, and then the price will increase to 701 USDT. Anyone can run a node, no complex setup needed, one-click delegation and monitoring of the nodes through our web portal. You'll see on the actual dashboard, when you do actually purchase yourself a node, you'll need to make sure that you connect yourself up with a MetaMask wallet. Once your MetaMask is connected, we'll be able to see the amount of total running nodes, the remaining XVM reward pool, the daily reward pool, and we can see exactly how much we've been withdrawn and how much is ready to withdraw. Like I said, by the end of this video, guys, I'll be purchasing myself one of these nodes for myself. I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can do that as well. I do personally believe myself at this specific point for this price range, and to see exactly how similar projects, have actually launched, like APGN, Delicium, Sonorous, things along those type of lines, guys. If this goes anywhere near anything that they have, we're in for a good run. And also, I do personally believe that I'm going to get my return on investment back very quickly on this if I get myself in early enough and I buy myself one of the nodes early. The early bird always gets the worm, so make sure you do take that into consideration, guys, going forward, and make sure if you are going to purchase one of these nodes, make sure you use the link that's down in the description. So let's look through the docs now. Let's learn a little bit more about the 0xVM Validator Nodes, and let's see exactly what's going on. So you can see with the overview, the 0xVM Validator Nodes can be bought through the 0xVM website. No technical knowledge is required to run and deploy a node. Make sure you remember this, guys. A lot of people aren't aware of this. When you do purchase one of these nodes, you purchase it and then you delegate it on their website. You do not need to set up a system. You do not need to run a virtual machine or anything like that to set this up. This does run basically free in a sense, with no electricity. You pay the $700 in USDT, and from there, once you press the delegate on your dashboard, you're up and running, and your node is now earning you daily passive income. A total of 26% of the XVM token supply has been dedicated to node rewards. XVM is distributed on a daily basis, starting with 700,000 XVM across all active nodes. Nodes are sold in USDT, starting at $700 for the first 10,000 nodes, with an increase of $1 of every 10 nodes sold. After that point, you don't need any technology to set this up. Basically, as I've said before, you basically run it free. They've got a node management web portal for you guys. Apart from the XVM rewards, as a node owner, you are entitled to gas fees, a revenue sharing from partner projects, increase in voting power in governance, referral fees, and many others. Some rewards, such as the XVM rewards, are structured to provide strong incentives for early participation in our node program. Early bird always gets the worm. It's kind of always the consensus. Others, such as revenue sharing and gas fees, will grow into magnitude as the 0xVM network grows. We've structured it in this way to provide great rewards for early adopters, coupled with a longer term incentivization that will grow in size as our network expands in influence and numbers. So like I say, guys, there is a bit of a step-by-step guide on how to buy the nodes. You can actually go through and check that through on there, but I will be showing you a little bit later on in the video for those of you that are interested and want to see that. But like I say, if you do want to purchase a node, make sure you use the link that is down in the description. You can see a little bit of a breakdown on what nodes exist in the 0xVM. They have the router node, the operator node, and the one that we can purchase currently at the moment is the Validator node, and that's what we'll be paid to do. As you can see, if you have a little bit of a look through here, all the information from from all of the other nodes has to come through the validator nodes, and hence why we get paid for those nodes. You can see some of the information in regards to why they are selling those, but let's have a little look over now at the actual XVM token rewards. This is basically what we're going to get paid for holding these nodes. So 26% of the supply is going to be in the 0xVM rewards pool and are dedicated to the 0xVM Validator Node rewards. 700,000 is distributed every day across the active 0xVM Validator nodes. Every 180 days, the rewards are halved, and the total distribution, or the total duration, should I say, of the 0xVM rewards pool is 1,440 days. So that means that this node will keep paying you guys for 4 years. And if you really want to be somebody that gets in on these crypto node projects and actually starts to get that money back for the nodes that you do jump in, then get in early. That's pretty much all I can say to you guys. Make sure you do your own financial research, of course, and nothing that I do say in today's video is financial advice, but you do need to take that into consideration. A lot of you always say, I want to get into these projects early. Well, this video is being released to you guys first day of the launch, within, a few hours of this project being launched, so make sure you take that into account, get yourself involved. Like I said, do your own research, but like I said, if you go through the docs, you can see through the information that I'm showing you on here right now. It's exciting me, and I can see here from the potential rewards that this is going to kick out that I could potentially maybe get my return on investment back very, very quickly. And like I said, once I do, I will do an update for you guys on the channel, as I do with every single node project that I show on the channel. Okay, so it is the morning of the node sale. So as you can see here, I've already got myself a node. Once you do purchase yourself a node, make sure that you press the button over here, press on the delegate. Do you want to delegate the running of one node? Press on the confirm. Like I said, you may have to do this multiple times depending on how many nodes that you do purchase for yourself, but like I said, give that a couple moments and the node itself will be deployed, and from there you'll start to receive your XVM rewards. And like I said, from there we need to just wait for the actual token launch. And like I said, if this does perform anywhere near some of the previous projects that we've showcased on the channel, then we are looking at something amazing here. But like I said, guys, if you're interested in purchasing one of these nodes yourself, I'll be leaving the links for you guys down in the description. All you need to do is use the referral code that will be popping on the screen and down in the description. Make sure that you choose the network of your choice. If you do use Arbitrum, the fees will probably be a lot more affordable for you guys. Make sure that you load your wallet up with 700 USDT and then press on the approve payment from here and then confirm through with MetaMask. Make sure once you've purchased yourself your nodes or your node, make sure you press on the delegate button there, and don't forget, guys, that only nodes successfully deployed and running will generate earnings. Deployment takes some time, so please be patient. Taking a look over onto the node's dashboard itself, you can see there's a few options for withdrawal of your XVM when it comes to the point of the token generation event. You can see the 30-day period, 10 to 30 days, and the 10 days. Now, fully vested, 50% vested, and 25% vested. Now, if you take yourself over to the docs, like I said, guys, I'll be leaving you guys all the links for you guys down in the description, so make sure you go through and check those out for yourself. But I'll just read them through, and it does say there, for withdrawing earned XVM, the XVM earned through your node rewards is subject to a short unlocking period. The redemption rate varies depending on when you unlock it, starting with 25% for immediate unlock and ends with 100% on day 30. So that means if you wait the full 30 days, you'll get all of the XVM rewards that are inside of the lockup at the moment in your account. The token lockup schedule is in place as an effort to help control the token circulation and helps to support the longevity and stability of the network for the benefit of all. So in a nutshell, it just means that when the token generation event happens, it means that everybody's not able to just sell off and dump all their coins just to get a quick buck. They have to just wait a couple days, depending on the rush of the individuals. It should work out a lot better for the stability of the price for the network. Right, guys, so in my conclusion for the 0xVM Validator nodes, I'm excited for this. I'm excited for the project. I'm excited for the token generation event for this project. I'd recommend that if you are going to grab yourself one of these nodes, make sure to look through the docs. I'll be leaving all the links down in the description. I'll also be leaving my referral code there, and I would appreciate if you guys use my code. It does support the channel. But also as well, guys, make sure you do read through the docs. Make sure you go through all the information. Don't take anything in today's video as financial advice, of course. But at the end of the day, guys, I do see some positives with this project. I'm going to be doing some further videos videos on this, so once I do start to receive some of the XVM rewards, I'll do an update video maybe to show you guys exactly how much I'm earning. Maybe let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see a giveaway of one of these nodes on the channel. Let me know down in the comments if that's something you're interested in. But I think that's it, guys. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, and consider hitting the join button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.